I'm back to show some samples made with the Joy of Sharing card kit. The gold frames that you can make photo cards or cards with are great for decorating gift boxes and frames. So as I showed in the first video, you get 15 frames. With that insert that you take out, you can punch some circles out of that gold foil. I was able to get 4 2-inch gold circles. That's a real tight fit, so you can also go down to 1.5 inch. I have 2 samples of cards made with these photo frames and some of the cutout images. You have the ability to copy the samples that Stampin' Up! Has provided you, or to be creative and make your own cards. You receive all the supplies for 15 cards. I'm going to show you some other ways to use the supplies in this kit. You can decorate the mini pizza boxes with the frames. I did have to cut them to size them to fit. The mini pizza boxes are great for note cards that can be embellished with the kit. The gold frames also are great for some cardstock frames. And I have 2 different samples shown here. One just with the gold frame and one adding a couple of the poinsettias. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you how to make these frames. You can also take the envelope and make a little gift tote. I'll also show that on the next video. So watch the next video to get the instructions for those 2 projects. I embellished some of the Stampin' Up! Packaging items with the poinsettias. And I have the acetate boxes here with cards inside, both the standard box and the 3x3 box. The mini pizza box is decorated with a belly band. You get so many of these little cutouts. As I mentioned in the first video, 136 decorative images and 57 decorative labels. The other theme in the package is the pine cones. I took one of the cards that you receive and cut them in half, and you can take these and they work for our note card envelopes. So this card is opened in this direction. Just cut the standard card you receive in half and made 2 cards. Decorated some of the items. We have the mini pizza box that is gold foil, the little 3x3 acetate box, and the 2x2 acetate box. Another frame and another little tote made out of the envelope. As I mentioned in the first video, all of the products you receive in this kit come in a box that you can decorate to give, and there are so many products in this kit. I've only used a portion of the kit to make the samples. As I mentioned, stay tuned for the next video, and I will show you how to make a cardstock frame and a tote out of an envelope. See you on the next video.